Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you how to log in to MetaTrader 5 on your iOS device. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once MT5 is open, you'll see the main interface. This includes quotes, charts, trade, history. To log in, go to the setting at the bottom right corner of your mobile device and select Trade Account. Then tap the plus sign button. It will redirect you to the broker window. Now find the broker, search for IS6 and tap on IS6 Technologies Limited. Choose the server, either live or demo, based on your account type and trading preferences. To log in, enter your login ID in the login field, your password in the password field. Then tap the Sign In button. You'll know you're successfully logged in by seeing your account details. Now, let's quickly review the MT5 interface. Quotes shows all available currency pairs and their real-time prices. Tap on Charts to see the candlestick graph, where you can analyze price movements using various tools and indicators. Tap on Trade to view account details like balance and equity. Here, you can also view currently open trades. History. Access history for closed trades and transactions. Tap on Settings to access additional features, including Mailbox. Check Mailbox for communications for MetaTrader and IS6FX. News. Stay updated with economic news. Trade A. Economic calendar. Track upcoming economic events and their potential market impact. Traders Community. MQL5 Algo Trading. Connect with the MQL5 community after registering separately. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your MT5 account on your iOS device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!